No, it's made no difference. Make it stop.
Right, well, we've done about 30 miles. 180 something to go.
Amazingly, the convoy did keep going until eventually we pulled in for a fuel stop.
Okay, now this is a bit of a faff. Ow! Oh.
Hammond?
Yes?
I may have made a mistake.
Where?
Well, I added this escape chute so that I can go from my aeroplane fuselage into the back seat of the car.
Yes.
Which is here. It's very good. But I've covered up the filler flap.
Oh my God, Jeremy, no!
What?
Seriously, you're going to hit it.
Yeah, that's quite close.
Yeah, but unlike your two cars, ready?
Oh, yes.
Yeah!
Soon, refueling was underway.
Here we go.
Go away.
That's an all new... I've never seen a lockable fuel filler cap where you need to saw...
It's very secure.
Refueling over, we headed on our way. And several perilous miles later, we finally reached Cornwall.
Pulls F. That's where we're going. Ooh, I've got all the excitement you get as a kid on a family holiday, winding